Hello all of you. In this session we'll see how to install Server 2022 editions. So let's start the session, guys. So as you can see that in the last session we'll create 5 virtual machines for servers and 2 virtual machines for client. So I'm going to install now Server 2022 data center in this server 1. So in server 1 virtual machine. So I go to click on edit over there first, edit virtual machine settings. Now you have options, either you have a ISO image or either you have a DVD which you can use to install the servers. So over there I'm using the ISO image. So I choose over there use ISO image. I already download my ISO image from Microsoft in this computer. So I go to browse and I save that ISO image in the data folder. In the data folder I go for images. In that we have server 2022. I have server 2019 also and 2022 also. So I'm going to use server 2022 and click on open. So I give the path where I save my server ISO image, server 2022 ISO image, and click on OK. Now I'm going to start this virtual machine. So click on power on this virtual machine. So it's going to power on, as you can see that. Now it's asked me to install the server operating system. So you can choose the language and all. Now click on next. Now if you have already installed 2022, so you have the option of repair your computer as well. Like if your OS is corrupted and you want to repair your OS, in that case you can use the repair your computer. But right now it's a fresh installation, so I go to install now. Simple. But this is the way how we can go for the fresh installation. It's a new virtual machine. There is no operating system installed. Now I'm going to install operating system very first time. So as you can see that we have 2 editions, standard and data center. So as you can see, we have a standard desktop experience option is there. Desktop experience means it's a GUI one. So I go for data center desktop experience. Now click on next, and the upper one is the core one. Okay. Now I click on accept and click on next. Now they have the option custom or upgrade. So right now we don't have any operating system right now. It's a fresh installation. So I go for custom. And over there they ask me the 40 GB space. So in this VM we have a 40 GB hard disk space. So if you want to create the partitions, you can click on new and you can define the space, how much partition you want to go for that. I need all the space in C drive, so I am using the complete space and simply click on next. So it's going to install server 22 in this particular virtual machine and create a C drive for me. As you can see that it's going to start the installation. So it takes 3 to 4 minutes. Let's see. So now you will see that once the operating system is almost done, installation is almost done, you can see that one user is automatically created. The username is administrator. So in the server it is automatically created. Now you need to give the complex password. So my side I give the complex password. So you can go like numerical plus special plus alphabetical, and you need to give minimum 7 character password, not less than that. It's not accepting. So I give my 7 character password and then click on finish. So as you can see that the installation is completed, and once you log in the server, they ask you administrator, the user which is automatically created, and I give the password, and you can see that we are successfully installed server 2022 in this server VM1. As you can see that, see they show you server manager which is automatically installed or started. So this is what we have, the server 2022 installation.